Hello and welcome back to my another session of Playwright. I am Akanksha, and in this session I am going to start with the installation process of Playwright. So we are going to see what are the prerequisites, what all are we needed before installing the Playwright, and then we will see how to install Playwright step by step. So with this, let's get started and see what are the prerequisites. So we know that we can install the Playwright. We can use the Playwright with different languages and platforms. And in the last video, I have shown you all the four implementation or libraries of Playwright. So again, if you will go to the Playwright official website, you can see the options. We have Node.js, Python, Java, and .NET. And if we get the Node.js, we can use TypeScript and JavaScript. So in this session, I'm going to use the Node.js implementation. So for that, we should have Node.js on our system. So for that, you can just go and check. So if you go to your command prompt on Windows, and if you are on Mac or Linux, you can go to the terminal and run the command npm space hyphen hyphen version and press enter. It will show you if the node is installed. It will show you if the package of node, or you should say node space hyphen hyphen version. So you can see the version of Node.js, and npm is the node package manager which gets installed along with node. So you can run both of these commands and check if you are getting the version number. And in case you are not getting something like command not found, or you are not getting the version, that means Node.js is not installed or not set up on your system. For that, you can go to the website Node.js download, and this will take you to the Node.js download website page. Here you can get the installer for your operating system, whether you are on Windows, Mac, or any other operating system. Then you can run the installer and Node.js will be installed on your system. And after installing, open a new command prompt. Don't choose the same session of your command or terminal. Just open a new command prompt and in new terminal, and then again run the command npm space hyphen hyphen version and node space hyphen hyphen version and check if node is installed. So this was the first prerequisite. The second prerequisite is the IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment. Now you can use any IDE where you can create a node project, and you can use JavaScript or TypeScript language. But I will prefer that you go with VS Code, and VS Code will be very easy. There is also an extension for a Playwright in VS Code, but you are free to use any IDE where you can create a node project and you can use JavaScript or TypeScript. So these are the two prerequisites we need for Playwright installation. And once you have both of these, we will go to the installation step by step. So to download VS Code Editor, you can go to this website codevisualstudio.com and download VS Code Editor on your system. Once you have completed the download, then you need to create a new folder somewhere on your local where you keep your new project. For example, I will call it as demo project. This empty project will be our future framework. Then you open Visual Studio Code, and the layout of the Visual Studio Code will look something like this. After that, install Playwright extension by clicking on extension icon on the left hand side and click on install. It will be installed into Visual Studio Code. Now open the new created empty folder, that is demo project, in the Visual Studio Code. So for that, you need to go to the file option on the menu bar and open the folder. Then folder will be added under Explorer like this. Now open new terminal in VS Code and run the command npm init playwright @latest and hit enter. So after this command, Playwright will run some quick installation wizard. So first of all, language of choice TypeScript or JavaScript. I would recommend to go with TypeScript because the TypeScript default language for the documentation is the TypeScript. So you can find more examples with the TypeScript. After selecting TypeScript, hit enter. Then it will ask for default folder name where we will keep our test. Do we want to add GitHub action? No, I keep this false. And do I want to install Playwright browsers? So yes, I hit yes, and it should be download all the browsers to be able to run with the Playwright framework. So with this, installation is completed, and once Playwright is completely installed, you should be able to see this happy hacking message on the console, and you can see this folder structure was generated automatically on the left hand side. I will cover the details of each folder in an upcoming session. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and have a great day.